It is Monday, October 25th, and Cliff Bell Real Estate Inspectors has arrived at his first appointment for today. This one is a 2016 built, so just 5 years old. A little over 2,000 square feet, so pretty standard for most homes in the Houston area. One of the first things we do when we arrive at a property, and I can't speak for all inspection services, but this is certainly a service that we have that we include in our base fee for an inspection, and that is to measure the air quality, not only outside but inside. We actually need the air quality outside to determine if there's something abnormal on the inside. And today, even though you'll see two instruments here, one is for relative humidity, and I'll discuss that in a later video. The one on the right is going to be a carbon dioxide tester. And the number at the top there, the CO2 ppm, measured in at 431, measures the amount of, by parts per cubic meter, the carbon dioxide count on the exterior. Why is that important? Because we're also going to check the carbon dioxide measurements on the interior. And if that number exceeds the 431 count that we're reading on the exterior, we will include that in a report. Now, it really depends on how elevated that number is. Any increase suggests that there's activity on the inside that's greater than the outside, and that's always an indicator of something more. Now, if that number exceeds 1,000, and that again, that is carbon dioxide, not carbon monoxide, then that's a very good indicator of mold activity on the interior. And obviously, if there's any indicator that suggests that there's mold activity, the buyer or client certainly will want to know that. I would certainly want to know that. We'll see once we get inside and do our air measurements if there is an elevated carbon dioxide reading on the inside. But for now, we just wanted to introduce one of the services that Cliff Bell Real Estate Inspectors does. Speak to how it is relative to air quality conditions on the interior. Hopefully there's nothing here. If there is, we'll be back to report on that.